In today's video, I would like to introduce you a very nice problem of Vietnamese Mathematical Olympiad edition 1982, question number 4. Here is the following setup. Find all positive integers x, y, and z such that we have the following equation: 2 to the x plus 2 to the y plus 2 to the z equals 2336. Okay, so the left hand side of this equation is involved the power of 2 as a sum, and the right hand side of this equation is a number of this sum. Okay, is the value of this sum. So in fact, this is very straightforward problem, isn't hard, but just in a little trick. So in order to find this one as a power of 2, so we are going to factor out this one and get to an expression where we can have some simplification and find variables x, y, and z. Okay, go ahead, pause this video if you would like to give it a try to this problem. When you are, come back to see the full solution. Okay, let's get into the solution now. So very simple, we have the following equation: 2 to the x plus 2 to the y plus 2 to the z. Now I'm going to take one of these numbers and make it as a common factor. For example, I'm going to take 2 to the x and make it as a common factor. This one, it will be multiplied by number 1. The second term, it will be multiplied by 2 to the y minus x. The last term, it will be written as 2 to the z minus x. The entire thing is equal to 2336. Now if you take a look at this number, it can be written on this form: 2 to the 5 is multiplied by 73. Okay, then if you take a look carefully at this number is odd. This is odd because we have two terms associated with number 2 as an even number, so plus number 1, which is odd. So this number as a multiplier is an even, so that's mean this 2 to the x is taking 2 to the 5 as an even number, and this term is taking 73 as an odd number. Okay, because these values are known values, this is very straightforward replacement. So now I will have 2 to the x equals 2 to the 5, and also 1 plus 2 to the y minus x plus 2 to the z minus x equals 73. Okay, this one equivalent x as an exponent equals 5. Okay, now I found the value of x, which is 5. Now I'm going to replace this number 5 into x to find y and z. So I will have y, I have 1 plus 2 to the y minus 5 plus 2 to the z minus 5 equals 73 is the same as number 1 plus 72. Okay, as we know, 72 equals 8 is multiplied by 9. 8, it can be written on the form of 2 to the 3. 9, it can be written on the form of 3 to the 2. So we'll have 2 to the 3 is multiplied by 3 to the 2. Okay, now I'm going to cancel out number 1 from the left and the right. I will have these two terms. I will be left with these two terms: 2 to the y minus 5 plus 2 to the z minus 5 equals 2 to the 3 is multiplied by 3 to the 2. I'm going to make 2 to the y minus 5 as a common factor. I will have 2 to the y minus 5 is multiplied by number 1. This one will be multiplied by 2 to the z minus 5 minus y plus 5. Okay, equals 2 to the 3 is multiplied by 3 to the 2. So I will have this number 5 will be cancelled out with this minus 5. So I will be left with, you have 2 to the y minus 5 factor 1 plus 2 to the z minus y equals 2 to the 3 is multiplied by 3 to the 2. If you take a look again at this expression, this expression is odd. This term is odd because this one is an even plus number 1. Okay, since this one is an odd, is going to take the odd part, okay, which is 3 to the 2. And since 2 to the y minus 5 is an even, is taking this part 2 to the 3 as an even as well, because these values are known values. That's why we put replacing this one. Okay, I'm going to put 2 to the y minus 5 equals 2 to the 3, and I will have 1 plus 2 to the z minus y equals 3 to the 2, which equals 9. Okay, so this 9, it can be written as well 8, which is 2 to the 3 plus number 1. Okay, for this one I will have number 1 be cancelled out, then this exponent also equals 3, so I will have y minus 5 equals 3, equivalent y equals 3 plus 5, which is 8. Now I found also the value of y. Okay, I found already, I found x, I found y. Now I'm going to find z. So this term, I will have 2 to the z minus y. Minus y will be replaced with number 8 equals 2 to the 3. Now it's very clear here. So this exponent z minus 8, it will be equal to 3. So this one, z minus 8 equals number 3. So this equivalent z equals 3 plus 8, which is 11. Now I found all the values of x, y, and z. I have done with this problem. If you are interested in watching this one, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.